तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो
Okay.
माने
Give it authenticated.
सर, दिस
Please
इज
table it.
टेबल इट प्लीज।
Table for me.
Please table it.
Matter in the president's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and
Sir, I'm once again. No. Please.
No, sir.
One second.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please
There's a
restrict
confusion.
himself to
I had
the
a-
speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the house. Let us clear the confusion. There is table in the house. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday,
LOP is standing, you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. You know, 1 minute clarification. Yesterday, don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the speaker. But, sir, you allow us, sir.
No, sir, please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
Please let him
Parliamentary
continue.
I'm-
He started his
I need a
speech. Let him
clarification
continue his
because
speech.
Parliamentary Affairs
Please,
Minister quoted me.
Honorable.
He took
LOP.
my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
This is only for this house is only for them.
What is
This
this?
is not for us. What is
What
this?
is this thing? What
This
you are
house is
saying?
only for
He
them.
has taken dead.
No, once again,
And what you are saying?
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your word. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. We, Honorable LOP, Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? कोई आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct.
No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP.
You have Speaker sir.
And yesterday.
Sir, Speaker sir.
And yesterday.
One second. Speaker sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir.
One second. Speaker sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
It
given
is not a
ruling.
permission that I'm being given, Speaker sir.
Yeah.
I am not being given a permission.
What the permission?
I am the leader of the opposition of this country.
He is the leader.
You are not giving me permission.
He is the leader.
It is my right.
Rule 349. Under Rule 349. No. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman sir. Speaker sir, I am.
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I'm just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
can
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker sir, this is central. This is central to our President's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is in Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.
requested Honorable LOP to speak repeatedly. I made a request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. Now,
There is a-
Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Sir, I made repeated requests.